Bryan Young with ProTinkerToys.com, and I just wanted to do a personal thank you to everybody that has been supporting us over the last 2 weeks in kind of helping us to unload some ballast that we didn't need on the bottom of our ship. I just want to thank everybody personally. You don't know how much this means to me. People are just very heartwarming, and they just feel a connection with ProTinkerToys.com. And I just wanted to just kind of give you a thank you. You all are just so great, even through my times of temper and dealing with my kids, Daniel, Ryan, Mark, and just about everybody else. I just want to thank you personally from the bottom of my heart, and just thank you very much. God bless.